All you need: milk, sugar, pumpkin puree, ground ginger, ground nutmeg, instant coffee, pumpkin spice, and vanilla extract. Add all the ingredients in a cup and mix them well. Warm it up in the microwave or on your stove top and set it aside. If you have a milk frother, please use it. Add some milk and a few drops of vanilla extract. And just pour it on the top of the pumpkin spice latte. Garnish it with some instant coffee powder on the top and enjoy it. Just like from the fancy coffee shops. Thanks for joining. See you again soon with an awesome recipe. Till then, goodbye. Happy fall, everyone.